Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT Canvas. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for ChatGPT and click on the official website. Once you're on the platform, look at the dashboard and locate the plus icon in the toolbar. Click on it to open more options. Then, select the More option to expand additional tools available on the platform. From there, find and click on Canvas to open the ChatGPT Canvas workspace. Once Canvas is open, you can start creating by entering a prompt. For example, type a request like creating a poster or design for a specific purpose. Keep your prompt clear and specific to get better results. After entering your idea, click Submit to generate the design. ChatGPT will process your request and produce a visual output based on your prompt. Review the result and make adjustments if needed by refining your instructions. You can experiment with different prompts to improve your output. When you're satisfied, you can download your creation or share it directly. So that's basically how you can use ChatGPT Canvas. That's it for this video. Thanks.